Hey everyone, it's Sam here at the Vivint Demo House, and today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your water sensor. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. The Vivint Water Sensor can detect moisture and freezing temperatures in your home, saving you from catastrophe, and it's all powered by a CR123A battery. Your smart hub will notify you when the water sensor battery is low on power, and a red light will blink on the sensor itself to let you know it's time to change the battery. To get started, put your smart hub into test mode to avoid a false alarm. Make sure your entire system is disarmed, and then from the home screen, tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Tap Security and enter your 4-digit PIN. Tap System, and then the panel will beep during the test. Now you can change batteries without triggering a false alarm. Twist the top cover of the water sensor counterclockwise to remove it. If you haven't done this before, the cover could stick a little bit, so apply a little extra pressure. Remove the old CR123A battery and replace it with a new one. Replace the cover by twisting clockwise and then place the sensor back where you want it. Don't forget to safely dispose of the old battery and exit test mode on your smart hub. That's it, you're all done. Your Vivint Water Sensor is ready to guard you against flood damage with early leak identification, immediate notifications, and 24/7 monitoring. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe by clicking the bell notifications so you know when we upload new content. Bye for now.